Look how many I got. Anybody want to
Are you gonna show us your PowerPoint?
I can finish it.
Yeah, finish it.
That's good tomorrow. Hey, I can turn the lights on here.
Should have been 11 and 0 in 1.
Hey, tech one. You have to win by 15 points. You're ahead by 15 points. How's that work?
You have to win by 15 points.
And that's a tech fall when you're 15 points ahead.
Yeah, once you get 15 points ahead.
So it could be like 15 to 0 or 18 to 3.
Yeah.
And that's still a tech fall.
YouTube.
Yeah. Only 7 on the roll.
Who did we grow? My reference was by Justin. Oh, wait, Justin.
No, nobody knew. Just because I'm good.
No, I
That
don't.
would be weird.
Except there's one girl here.
You guys know anyone else is going back?
No, that's all of us.
We lost.
That's all of us.
Yeah.
Where do you guys come from?
Walkers, thank goodness.
Here, what'd you do with the kids?
Kids!
What's the only thing that was fun was that all.
Think so.
All right, welcome to class, ladies and gentlemen. This is my name,
What does it say?
David.
David.
Ludwig.
but they don't like you saying this, they like you doing this.
I'm gonna call you David.
You know my name's David, but they call me this.
Mr. Ludwig.
Yeah, I'm a student teacher, I'm a teacher, but I'm a student, so I pay you guys, well, I pay the school so that I can pay you
Can I
guys.
play this Prime Minister? What's his middle name? Just kidding.
My middle name is John.
Mr. John.
You can call me Mr. Ludwig.
Can I call you Mr. Ludwig?
Yes, you can.
That's hard.
I'll be here for 6, 7 weeks. Chamberlain's still your teacher, but I'm kind of stepping in for a little bit. Yeah, that's probably all I need to say.
Do we get some?
Hey, it's like the 3rd grade when we had Mrs. Freestone instead of Oil.
Possibly. Yeah, so in order to become a teacher, you have to be a student teacher first.
Hey, she was a student teacher.
So I student taught at Whitehorse down near the reservation, and now I'm student teaching here, and then hopefully I'll graduate and be a real teacher, not a student teacher. And I get paid.
Are you gonna work for you?
Maybe, we'll
Can you
see.
take Timber's job?
No, I doubt that. But it could be a janitor or something, or something like that.
Big Chamberlain.
We'll have to see.
Got our meeting.
Do a little system or something. So you guys have toilet paper in your tables. You're going to take your pen or your pencil, and you're going to write on your toilet paper. Hey, what's your name? Thomas, what's your name? Keaton? Tom. I'm going to be terrible with names, so just say like, hey, that's my name, not Clay,
Justin.
Justin,
Yeah.
Jared, Justin, Clay, Keaton, Thomas. Here, Cassandra. People call you Cassie?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you okay with that?
Yes.
Here, what's your name?
Monica.
Annika. People call you Ani? Annika, okay. Emily and Hannah, Emily, Annika, Cassie, Thomas, Keaton, Clay. Starts with a J. I know 2 J's in a row. You're Justin and you're
Jared.
oh, you're Jared, you're Justin.
Yeah.
Jared,
I tried to
Justin.
mix you up. Justin has
I do
Okay, that's tough. What's my name?
S.
Mr. Ludwig.
Okay, so on your toilet paper.
Oh, Ludwig.
Actually, maybe I ought to tell you something first before we do our toilet paper activity.
Okay.
Yeah, draw on a pen. Oh, wait, what?
I don't have pens with me right
Okay, that's fine.
I don't have a pen.
So this class that you guys are getting into is called this. Intro to what?
7.
CTE. CTE here in Utah stands for Career and Technical Education. So what is it going to talk about?
Career and technical
Career and
education.
tech, yeah. And that's like this huge, broad area that we can talk about a lot of cool stuff. And here it's going to be project-based. We're going to build stuff. We're going to build bridges and we're going to bust them. We're going to build these sweet roller coasters out of cardboard. We're going to learn how to measure. We're going to learn how to draw and sketch and build houses. We're going to do really cool stuff like that. So this class is project-based. So, on your pieces of paper, I want you to write on each little, what do you call those? Squares? On each square, you're gonna put one thing. So if you have 3 squares, you're gonna have 3 things in the end. If you have 7, like you grabbed, you'll have 7. And you're gonna write
I only have 6.
on the first square, one fun thing you did over spring break.
Go-kart riding.
Hold on. And then on the second 3 with the last square, on the rest of them, you're gonna tell me what you wanna learn in this class. What you wanna do.
I take 2.
No, no.
No.
So you can do what you want to learn or what you want to do. So if you say, I want to build a go-kart, well, why don't you write that down?
Wait, so we write what we did last one?
Okay, so the first square, what you do over spring break, that was fun. And then the rest, what you want to learn and do.
You say I saw, yeah, maybe you spell S-A-W. How the heck do you write on?
Oh my god,
Very gently. There.
I can't write. Keep ripping my foot. It's not working.
Will you guys write your names on this? Each square's 2.
So who's not here? We have Clay,
Will you guys write your names on this?
Justin, Annika, Hannah, Jared, Emily, and Keith.
I'm here.
Who didn't I say? Thomas Anderson is not on the roll. And,
Really? I'm not on the roll?
no, who's the other one? Cassandra, what's your last name? Who? Cassandra. They know you can come out. Okay.
We'll take probably 2 more minutes. So if you want to do over spring break,
Just 2.
2 more minutes.
Wait, so we write, what we did was fun.
Justin, Jared, will you put your name right here?
So we put what fun thing we did over spring break, what we want to learn, and what they want to do, or like,
Yep. What you want to do or learn. I want to learn how to play the guitar. I want to build a go-kart.
I want to learn how to build cool things.
I want to make a guitar. I want to make a Thank you.
You have 2
Table 1.
Oh, Rich, it's the first time.
And then there'll be table 2.
No, we're number 1, that's why.
Thank you. Maybe that's hard to think about. Say what I want to do, not what do I want to learn.
See, I didn't listen to Jerry. He's like,
You done? You want to-
dude, I'm freaking
You got
still.
You got yours?
No, I got 2.
All right, I'll take your text up here. Where you
I
at, sir?
can sleep with my eyes
You want to keep that? Thanks. Here. I'll try and say your names more so I can remember them.
Alright.
Don't tell me. Happy Hanukkah, Hanukkah. I have to remember
It's like,
Hanukkah.
it's like, instead of it.
Can I play with this Klingon?
Okay, I'll take your attention up here. So, in the next couple minutes, we're going to do a couple things. And I'll usually have this stuff written on the board. So if you guys are interested, you could get like this little sneak preview, right? Or if you're not, I'll probably just tell you. So we're going to do introductions, which we're doing right now, and then we're going to establish our own classroom rules. So you guys have good ideas of what rules are, which rules are good, which ones aren't so good.
That we can open and drinks in front of you and they can drink them.
Possibly, we'll talk about it and then see if Chamberlain is on board with that. But we'll talk about our own classroom rules. And then after that, we're going to do some measuring activities, and then we'll call it a day. Tomorrow I'll try and have a PowerPoint with some pictures. I kind of showed Clay a little bit, tell you a little bit about where I grew up, who I am, who I'm married to, what my dog looks like, that kind of stuff.
You have a dog.
I have a dog.
Right? You just said you had a dog.
Alrighty?
Oh,
Okay, so what's